Where's my phone, Mom? I don't know, dude. It's like they're. Did this happen in like Twister? Stop. Holy.
Why are you crying?
Alana, come with Nana. Please come over here, Nana, for a minute. Can you go, Nana? Come hold Nana. Nana, hold you. Come here. Hurry.
I think we're like right in the path, dude. Like, cause that is one big black ball.
Right there.
Right there, dude. Like, it just looks like to be producing some craziness up there. Wow, dude.
Look at it. Look how it like twists around.
Yeah. Serious though, dude. Like, it does look like a twister, huh?
Who wants twister?
Dude, like, are we gonna get a touchdown here or something?
Where are you going? Here, stay right
Look at
here.
that.
Whoa.
That looks trippy.
Oh
Whoa.
my gosh. That lit up the room. Hello, people.
Wow. That is nuts, dude. Like, I hope we don't get hit by no twister, dude.
You want to see it because they're crazy.
I hate twisters.
Oh my gosh, did you see it like that?
And it has nothing to do with my hatred for Helen Hunt either. I just hate twisters.
Go up that far, okay?
Can you?
You're so funny.
I'm gonna go.